So today I'd like to read something and show you something. I mean, this is an image of me in the cabin writing, as I have so often done in the past. You can see the books and papers piled all around, and it was it's a photograph that my daughter Rachel took, who's quite a photographer in her own right. And I loved the image. But I came to the end of writing, spring, summer, fall, winter. I'd already written the weekly Reflections on Spectacle Pond. All in all, nearly a thousand pages of poetry, nearly a thousand poems, nearly a thousand photographs. And I arrived at the end of it and I thought, oh gosh, I should make some statement at the end. I should say something about it all. And I thought, well, how can you say something about something that just keeps going, keeps going? You might have ended this year, but you're going on to the next. You end one season, but you immediately move to the next, and you hardly notice the difference between the end of a season and the beginning of the next one. So somehow I put together my darling daughter Rachel's portrait of me, which is on a wintry day, and this poem, which I call Deep Bows. And the end of the poem is called Gasho, which I think is this gesture and reflects a bow that we take with our hands. Deep bows. What is my inspiration? Chinese landscape sage, in cabin, writing, meditating, holding a pen. Zen master, pointing at the moon. The Buddha, on the night of his enlightenment, touches the earth. Meditation in each moment. I point at the moment or at the breath. Walking hand in hand down the path, through the glade with you, as though it were a gateless gate. All fingers are from a single hand. In Zen, we ask Hakuin's question: what is the sound of one hand clapping? Gasho.